If you are suffering from acne, then you have to moisturize with this oil every day. Are you filled with freckles, pimples? Vitamin A oil is the best for it. It's the best that you can use to improve your skin. You just have to get the oil from it. This vitamin A oil can be found in different forms, in capsule, in bottle. Some sell it as a tablet as well, but here I have it as a capsule. This oil is so beneficial for the skin. You just have to get the amount you will need. You can use 2, you can use 1, or anyhow you want it. Once you have gotten it, then you have to get it with your finger, cotton bud, or anything you have at home, and use it on your skin. Massage it deeply on your skin. It will help to moisturize your skin. It will help to clear freckles, clear fine lines, and keep you away from acne and blemishes. This vitamin E oil contains enough nutrients and enough vitamins. Like I said, it's vitamin E, so you have to use it on your skin daily. Subscribe.